In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post GIFs on Reddit. Now, if you've ever wanted to spice up your Reddit post with some moving images, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can add that extra touch to your contributions on the platform with ease. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to open Reddit and head over to your homepage. Once there, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for any new post, whether it's text, images, or GIFs. Clicking on this will prompt you into a post creation window, but before we get too carried away, let's make sure we have our GIF ready. For the next step, let's get crafty with GIFs. You'll want to visit a website where GIFs are readily available. Giphy is a popular choice that many users prefer due to its extensive and easy-to-navigate library. So go ahead, explore, and find that perfect GIF that matches the message or mood you want to convey in your Reddit post. Once you've found your GIF, copy it. This usually involves right-clicking on the GIF and selecting either Copy Image or a similar option, depending on the website's layout. Now swing back over to your Reddit tab. With your GIF safely copied to your clipboard, it's time to get your post set up to showcase it. Choose a community or subreddit to post in that best suits the topic or theme of your GIF. This is important because some subreddits have specific rules about what can be posted. Next, give your post a title. The title should be catchy or descriptive enough to draw attention, but concise enough to fit within the character limits. With your community selected and your title in place, you can add any additional text you want to include in the body of your post. This might be a comment on the GIF, some context, or even a question to spur discussion. This helps in engaging the community further. Here's the finishing touch. Inside the text editor, where you add your extra text, you'll want to paste your GIF. This is typically done by right-clicking in the text box and selecting Paste, or using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. Once you see your GIF appear, double-check everything to ensure it looks perfect. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit Post. And there you have it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Reddit post. Adding a GIF can bring a bit of life and humor to your posts, helping you engage more effectively with other community members. Hopefully, this guide has made the process simple and straightforward. Happy Redditing!